Hey guys, welcome to Fishing Tackle channel. I just wanted to show you a easy way to change your handle. I think I've shown your video, showed you guys the video, but you just need one of these tools right here. You could probably buy like a tool kit, or if you buy a Daiwa reel baitcaster, this one comes with it. And just a screwdriver here. I got this from Nest thermostat. Anyways, this works perfectly. I have this Amazon EK Revo with a handle that's a little bit too small. Look at this comparison. This one cost me like 30 bucks, I think. So let's see. Let's prepare for this. Let's remove this so that ready to be fitted in. By the way, this is Heighten from Amazon.com. And again, they don't sponsor me for this. I paid this with my own money and it's a great product. I tell you, I wish I could be sponsored. I would like to. If you are a Heighten owner, I would like to replace all of my baitcasters with your handles. So it comes with this tool right here. All it is for, I guess, to take this apart. If there's a ball bearing, access it. That's nice. So I just got to figure out which one will fit. So one is a smaller fit right here for the handle. I think 7x5. It's always going to be for baitcaster 7x5 or 8x5. I think millimeter. Is that what it is? I believe. I can't remember. Anyways, 8 by something and 7 by something. I think it's 7 by 5 or 8 by 5. Anyhow, you have all the tools you need, including this adapter. So if yours is too big, then you got this adapter to use to put in here, just like that. If it fits perfectly, nothing to worry about. So with that all ready, I'm just going to have to unscrew this. So this won't be needed anymore once I replace it. Just like that, and this comes off. And again, you need to tighten it up all the way, completely, okay? Not loosen it. Then once you do that, you want to go ahead and then, thank you, clockwise, right? Let me see. Okay, that's the other way. There you go. Clockwise. So left-handed reels, clockwise, right-handed reel, counterclockwise. Just like that, it comes off. Take your handle out. Put that washer back in there. Just like that, and that's it. You save this for when you decide to go back to saltwater fishing, and you put the new one in. So for this one, let's see, fits perfectly. So this adapter is unnecessary, but if this happens to be smaller and is too loose, that's the other scenario. It's either perfect fit or it's going to be super loose. This is a perfect fit, so I don't have to use it. So that's all it is. You just put this insert in here to fit with it. So I don't need it. Luckily, something you got to watch out for. This version of Abu Garcia, once I screwed it in, this doesn't pop out. Like 13 Fishing and Daiwa and some Shimanos, not all reels are the same. They pop out. So you have to hold this down, which makes it much difficult. And there's a little clicker with the spring on there that if it does pop out, you need to carefully put it back in there. If not, you're going to lose it. And I have a reel that is messed up because I didn't do it properly. So once you have that, simply put it in here. Remember I said it clockwise was tighten on here like that. So for this one, I got to do it, figure out the one that fits first. That's not going to fit. Probably this. Nope. Must be this. Then you're going to go counterclockwise to fit it. And that's it. You got it right here. So once I'm done with that, just tighten it up to a point where this fits just like that. So I'm going to probably put it just like that and then tighten it, and voila, it's done. And then you put your screw in here. But you know, this had me thinking, why aren't we have computers that could be built on your own, and cars could be built on as well with parts, customized. I guess you could customize, but I wonder why. Well, not wonder why, but I feel like there's a market for, let's say, a real company that focus on the base and like build your own kind of reel. So they could sell a base without handles, just the mechanism, or completely taken apart, if you guys know what I mean. And you could custom build it, and then they'll send it to you. And all you got to do is put it together. I think in order to do that, they're going to have to simplify the reel or the mechanism, or maybe just the base is there, and all you have to customize is sort of the reel, and maybe like a star drag, the color you could buy, and also buy your own handle from the company, and then you could fix it up, right? So you know, a $40 reel could turn into $100, $200 or $300 reel, depending on what kind of specs you get or what kind of parts that you could get. So then you could own one reel of this color and have multiple handles with the colors that matches. You could get a black one, and also they could sell these. So you know, they could sort of sell it for a lot less price, and people pay more for each of these pieces to upgrade and enhance it. Same thing for ball bearing, right? If it's easy to take this apart and change to upgraded ball bearing, drag clicker, all these little extra pieces that people could customize, that would be awesome, right? I mean, companies like Avit, American companies like Avit, companies like Penn, I think that Abu Garcia, they should definitely look into customizing these reels, right? There's a market for it. You know, people are not going to constantly buy more new reels, but if you get a better handle, better ball bearing, better reel seats, and you know, maybe your thumb areas and different areas, you could take it apart and replace it by upgrading it. I think they could actually make more money selling parts, right? But you know, what do I know? Those are just my thoughts. But anyways, that's pretty much it. What I do is, for the rest of them, I have my own little junk box for it. I dump it in here. I'm gonna have to organize it, but you know, I keep these in place so that I could replace it back if I do decide, hey, this is too big, or I want the smaller one for saltwater fishing. I mean, freshwater fishing, that's something I could do. Anyways, what do you guys think about the handle? Have you guys used it? Tell me, leave a comment. What do you guys think about customized reel? Can you imagine, again, whether it's Daiwa or Luz or Abu Garcia? I would buy, if the base costs like $40, I would buy like one every year, every new color that comes out. And if I already have an existing handle, I could pair it up with it. If it's easy to kind of lock or unlock with the pin or something like that, I don't know. Like that's something that engineers could figure out. But like Raspberry Pi, building your own PC at home, I wish there's a market for. I mean, I think there's a market. I wish there's a company that would sell like the base for very cheap and then sell like premium quality accessories, and that would be awesome. That's something that, and at the same time, if you have all these accessories, all you have to do is just buy the base separately, upgrade a base later, and they all fit. But just like Canon, or maybe going on like DSLR cameras, like an SLR camera, it could be like that. You got glass, as in lens, and you got Nikon cameras and stuff like that. So once somebody's committed to buying your brand, they're not just buying your brand, they're investing in the brand itself. So once you invest in your handles and invest in the parts, people continue to buy new versions, but they'll stick to that investment, right? Anyways, those are just my thoughts. I probably bored you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later.